along with other passengers as
Barada
well.
kini.
Right.
Ando bina kini ana burbe to kadi ke kimle kedana kera pas India. Sema chuma lama ni shoba sa na mataka bidang ni kuwa ka wo si bitala bikim ni na lubebi tu ni sema tu me paya wana be se burba.
Right. Good morning.
Dem sa bina kala no.
Yandabanaka. Good morning to all the students that are tuning in this beautiful morning as we are approaching the end of term 1 and also the hardworking teachers. Not forgetting each and every one of our parents.
All the best to all the primary school for their netball.
Oh, okay.
Will be held in Lambasa.
Right.
For the week 14 next week. We thank you for all the best for the preparation.
Right.
Some of them, they are first time for them to cross the sea, to go to Vanuatu. Thank you very much. You'll be there. You'll see so many things. You'll learn so many things.
True.
Will be acknowledged from the environment of the friendly north as soon as you reach from there.
And also our rugby league.
Oh, yeah.
Right. The semi-final will be happening to this Saturday.
Right.
You can check out our Facebook page. The what's this?
The draw.
The draws are there. The draws are there. Which school is going to be battling with which school? Karena so tadi korona pengen rapat kan mati tim apa? Saya mati mai satu ngoren na Facebook page.
I would like to say good morning to OX, this from Ngau, Denny Ndamundamu.
Right.
Mbulbenaka and the family from the Ndamundamu family. From Ngau, they're joining from Vandra. Especially to John Kumar brother. Joseph Atihana.
Alain Teki John Kumar.
Alain Kumar dari CV. Jack Nganga. Mbulbenaka from Mangautu. Lekanais.
Okay.
Lekanais. Good morning to Jack Nganga and the family. Cody Twinet all the way from Apia in Samoa, Talofalava.
Andra.
Milnadere Brisbane from Australia.
Blessed Thursday.
Workers tuning in this morning. And to all the visitors from all over the world who may be listening in to us this morning. Well, this show is called the Ouch Palangi Show.
The Broken English Show. Hey, all the mothers, don't forget the mummies.
Mommy.
Because when you come in the morning, mommy is the first person that is waking up in the morning to prepare breakfast. Prepare breakfast and also iron the clothes. Everything about a student and about the father.
Right.
The mommy. Acknowledge the mommy always.
So without the mommy, what happens?
Without the mommy, the family is going to collapse.
Oh. So without the daddy?
Without the daddy, we will move on.
All right.
Yes,
Thank you.
mommy
Be careful.
is very multi-talented. Yes.
And daddy too got a
We don't
multi-talent.
need daddy.
Are
We can do things ourselves.
Why you never need daddy?
Because
remember in the creative,
we are capable.
in the Eden.
Yes.
Now where level my
Right. Yeah.
What happened?
What happened?
You was brought from our ribs. Don't ever understand me, man. Nah. It's good.
Carry on.
If you see us men,
Yes.
you women, we have to be thankful to the men.
Okay.
Because on our upbringing,
Right. You don't feel it.
we never feel it because
You were
somebody,
put to sleep.
we have been put to sleep because there is a momentum of needing a woman. That's why you're being created. See? Nangalili.
Ya betul kok untuk extra buntal satu sisirim.
Extra pun goreng na besua.
Erang buli ba yan ang bubble?
I was being,
Tell us the story about the father and the mother having to they like to
want to
have a boy,
have a
baby
son.
boy.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is a true story. This weather is coming.
Oh, true story?
True story.
Right.
This is a true story. Every time a man and a woman start a family, they want to be multiplication.
Right. There will be children.
There will be children.
Right.
Yeah.
Because children is a blessing.
Right.
Yeah.
We need to love each other.
Right.
So the time the woman pregnant,
How?
no weather. We have to ask the weather.
Okay, tahu ya tadi.
Blame the weather.
Yeah. So when the women pregnant, they
How come?
Ako naturangan ni China, ako naturangan ni Asia. Are! Niyo ka pa wati... Bula-bula talaga, ha? Are! Me come? This one come?
Iya.
Me come? This one no come?
Iya. Baby come.
Baby come?
Iya. How come?
Mika, come. How come? Sarito ko sa sutumena ko ni sa lolo. Sarito ko chine bula-bula. Tama bula-bula. Me come. Which one no come? Baby, father come. Mother come. Me no come. Are, baby come. How come? Bisa ro angor ro biwa chini. Ro ka bula-bula ro sutumena ko nge kandaki. Atulo ka how come? Then the multiplication. The four children was coming. California, America.
Please come.
Yeah. The first children come, female.
Yeah.
The second children come, female.
Another female.
Another one is coming, another female.
Right.
Every time he give baby, he female. Vasud bango elewa tunga, elewa. So, he wants a man. Binakato kami doon na
A baby
lumatangan.
boy.
Right. Baby boy.
He wants a baby boy.
He wants a man, man.
He wants a baby boy. He wants a baby boy.
How many child together there?
See, look.
Yeah.
Look at two. Four.
Four, right?
Four.
4 girls.
Another. Again.
Yeah.
He wants another one.
Yeah.
Because he really want his aim to have only one baby boy. Minto man tangan na lupan tangan.
Yeah.
Right.
Because a baby boy will carry the gene.
Yeah.
Nakau tanah kawan.
Carry the touch.
Right.
Kamu na really. Come.
Yeah.
Another 5, 6, 7. Still girl.
Sir, I want one baby boy.
Yes. I want a baby boy.
Right.
Baby boy, tina, mommy. I want a baby boy.
But it's good to know that lady too want a baby boy. Oh no?
Both.
Okay.
They want, ini lah, rumah rutak sih non rumah.
But the relatives talking.
The relatives talking.
Yes.
Hey, Junior, be tata ada batang apa nutu. Junior, what happened in your head?
Yeah.
What's
What
wrong with
happened
you?
in your head?
What's wrong with you?
Hey, what's wrong with you?
It's
You never
empty.
love your wife?
Uh-uh.
You never love your wife?
Yeah.
So how many what mo?
Every time.
Every time in the hospital.
Every time hospital.
Uh-uh.
Every time hospital.
Sa lele no tsugi bale.
Last time in the home.
Yeah. Sa lele ko na sa tibol yung
Last time in the home.
Yeah.
Are,
Yeah.
what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
You never love him?
Yeah.
Ikaw sinalaman ni Kuya na macam
Yeah, the kids pakai sulba binak sisang.
kila nga sa libo eh.
You're right.
Sa
So sa ngulit binatan, right?
So after that, he going again to the hospital.
Said no, I'm sorry, but I have to have a son, to the relatives.
Sali ka diwoningon eh. Sali ka diwoningon eh. Sama di tartal may. O wali orto may balimbula. Hey, what happened to you? You have to love your wife.
Mesa sa ruta, mesa.
Yeah.
Enough.
Yeah.
You have to family planning.
Yes.
I see how come you kurog every night? Iku sa muna orang kan pimbong balik terkang ko sa sini kani pa sama. Santuatan na kang ko kang sa ko morto balimbula. Iku sa
Turun te borong.
Iku sa sini kita mata boy. And after that, he was trying his very best
Right.
Yes,
to get only one mantanga, only one boy.
Right. At least one,
At least one.
One stop. That's
Okay.
it.
O tia mani kita tala na leni pupali, orna leni koro, sampai di luar. Sampai di luar na. Enggak sampai di kunela. Sampai di kunela yo ket. Nyo kan do kunela. Nindaw kunela o tata.
Iya.
Wen tata ndo kunela. O kan do onana ndo kunela.
Kunelata latata.
Nindaw kunela onana. O kan do siapa kita tata. Nindaw ya wasaro tata. Ese
Magdaba siya pagkikaw ko.
Ganda mataw tu beta mengona ni kunela bang kato kami lay dele kutu. O tia sampai si mo tata when tata arrives.
Yeah.
This will be the 10th one.
Oh boy.
10 and the family talking
Yeah,
from
di
the
na.
hospital they give
Araman
the
tu arabu
advice,
bale.
they give the consultation
Iya.
to the daddy. See,
Yeah.
what you doing is not funny.
Iya.
Right.
I'm talking from my side.
Right.
Kumato did kuma.
Kumuto di. Abango di.
Nasamoy ko.
Boy ko may tango-tango. Naipula tambah sini tuku na tao. Waktu yang nana kasama. Then after that they was waiting.
Iya.
They was waiting for the last time.
Iya.
Come.
Iya.
Sangkay tarongi. What happened?
Iya.
Angkay kuno ko ya. This will be. I want a baby boy. If they will be pregnant again. If the women come again.
Yeah.
Kesa sudu saya lewat tali.
Baby girl again.
If baby girl again. Iyo sama na kita ro tuno ka. Ya udah nunggu bako tunggu minto sara tangan. Kesa sih kana tangan iyo lah ko tunggu ambil temen basi ka minto nang bulmak ka.
Hey, Lea Teddy.
Iya, yang pinaka po na Ardule pati kay Mrs. Ardule pa rin pinaka to everyone. This morning laku cuma nata-nata ko kawa.
Right.
Enak ya.
Sige ang badil lulo mo na. Risotto ako ya.
Siapa aqui?
Ngano nga lo may kina. Ato alua-lua.
Uy, sagalay. Hey, sagalay. Yabe kimo na kaday sa nanonda italo na matari ko katukan ibinin rumaki. Bimbicin pa kali dola-dola na matakango.
Kalau beti roko yan rabinaka John
Sige.
Kumar, Jagat Prasad, yan kile o makaruru siya mo to may nanuko batuanga.
Mula sama tuku resa.
Toto ka pa oti.
Uy, sagalay. Turang.
Karla ini lawan ni Benga yan rabinaka Tomasi o Meli nauku.
Ito mula nabuto-buto.
Aku ila kunawawa.
Lepa
May California, Amerika.
Sa
Toto
chuta
ka
na
pa oti.
biren sini bali.
Iya,
Ruban roar tumanda.
ket sa feeling to ko.
Hey, lei. Dah bikin benda kadar bito kan limai episode juga raki. Bikin benda bakal tabal merna numi juga lubenda konyo wele tu kan Facebook.
Agar
Iya.
resmi.
Tangan garum tinggi sini ko ber na lubenda do di Sicily. Na bakal tatalo itu tumba.
Iya.
Dora kan do lubu kina bakal wasmando chiku na ko akitu vitalo ta chiku bidana singa sauci. Nonta drain Sabe ko bina meron ni talon ron nawai. Iba na tao na suka may ron may lubu kina nonta tiku-tiku Sama ka to kaya na matakan ko.
Chris Reddy yan rabinaka from Melbourne.
Right, benta pa na matakan